got me. I don't know how I'm gonna explain this shit. God, man.
What's going on now?
Baby, look, you're keeping it 100. Look, you know me and you gonna see eye to eye, but I have been trying to be a father lately, and you know them child support payments ain't been on point, right? But look,
Yeah.
Subway gonna let me go.
What you do?
I ain't did shit the whole time I got my piss was dirty. They let me go.
You know damn, why you out there smoking? You know they gonna drug test your ass.
I've been there 8 years. Them hoes ain't never
They don't give a
test
damn
me.
how long your ass been out there. You ain't supposed to be smoking.
Oh, man. Look, I come here just to let you know. Look, I'm gonna need to use your car tomorrow to go look for a job.
You ain't
man.
using my car. Your ass don't know when to come back. No.
What
you
you
better
mean?
call
I'm
Uber or
over here,
something.
I'm trying.
You better call Uber or somebody.
Man, that's what I'm talking about. When y'all always want to take my motherfucking money, but when it's time to help me, y'all don't want to help.
No, no. Go
First
find
thing
go.
you gonna do, you gonna run the goddamn social media talking about I'm a deadbeat dad.
Yeah,
Bitch,
but-
I ain't got it.
Yeah, with your broke ass.
It's not like how you talking to me. I'm down on my luck, and you calling me broke.
I don't give a damn.
Pat me on my back, cheer me up.
Go find you another goddamn job.
I need to use your car.
You
to
ain't
go
using
look.
my shit. No, call your auntie, your cousin, somebody. You ain't using
I
my
don't fuck
shit.
with them like that. You
Oh,
know
well.
I don't fuck with them. They stop fucking with me cause of you.
What?
Then you put me out.
Whatever. You damn right. I'm gonna put your ass
Mama
out.
talking about putting me out and shit.
Yeah, now your ass won't go to work and shit. I'm gonna need my money on the first every month.
Man, I ain't got it right now, man. Have some sympathy for me,
No,
man.
I ain't have no sympathy for your crazy ass. Hell no.
I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I really want to go back up there and put them hands on
You
them
can't be
people,
going.
man.
You gonna go to jail? You go up
I'm
there
on
fighting on
probation.
them
That's the
people?
only reason why I ain't going back up there. What I'm gonna tell my PO ain't got no fucking job.
Oh well, that's your fucking problem.
This nigga need me alive, man. I swear to God, I can't win for losing, man. You whole ass nigga gonna make me fight on them, man. I can't take this shit, man.
That's your fucking problem. Don't you be smoking no damn. Where the hell you going now?
How you bitch ass nigga?